Hey crypto fam, have you seen what's happening with Pump.Fun's $PUMP token? It's making waves, surging over 20% in just hours, and the market is buzzing. In today's video, we're diving into why $Pump is pumping, what's driving this rally, and what you need to know to stay ahead. So, smash that like button, subscribe, and let's jump in. Asterisk for those new to the scene, Pump.Fun is the go-to platform on Solana for launching meme coins. It's a hotbed for viral tokens, and their native token, $PUMP, just went live after a massive $600 million ICO that sold out in 12 minutes. With a total supply of 1 trillion tokens, Pump is now trading on major exchanges like Coinbase and Kraken, and it's grabbing everyone's attention. So, why the sudden spike? First, Pump.Fun just announced a huge $2.3 million token buyback, scooping up nearly $3 billion Pump tokens. This move pushed the price up by 20%. Briefly hitting a $2.4 billion market cap. On-chain data shows they transferred 187,770 SOL worth over $30 million to a buyback address, signaling confidence in stabilizing the price. Plus, Pump hit an intraday high of 0.00609 USDT, up 10.82% in a single day, with trading volume soaring to $508 million. That's some serious momentum. But it's not just buybacks. Major exchange listings and hype around Solana's meme coin ecosystem are fueling the fire. Now, let's keep it real. PUMP's had its share of drama. After launching with a $5.6 billion valuation, it dropped 41% in a day, making it the biggest loser among top 100 cryptos at one point. Critics are skeptical about its utility, saying it's more hype than substance. There's also talk of whale control, with one wallet funding 500 addresses to snag $200,000 in tokens during the ICO. That's raised eyebrows about market manipulation. Add to that, Pump.Fun's market share is slipping to competitors like LetsBonk, and trading volume is down 75% since January. So, while the pump is exciting, volatility is real, and you've got to stay sharp. Looking ahead, Pump.Fun's got big plans. They just acquired Colscan, an on-chain analytics firm, to boost user tools like real-time wallet tracking. They're also pushing social trading features and live streaming to keep the community engaged. With Solana's meme coin mania still strong, think Melania and Trump 8 tokens pushing SOL to new highs. Pump could ride this wave if sentiment stays bullish. But here's the catch. Analysts warn that without better tokenomics or utility, $PUMP risks a repeat of past meme coin crashes. Keep an eye on resistance at 0.00609 USDT and support around 0.005 USDT to gauge where it's headed. Want to track PUMP's next move? Check Pump.Fun's leaderboard for trending coins and watch trading volume. It's a dead giveaway for what's hot. Platforms like CoinUnited.io are great for navigating these swings with leverage and CFD trading tools. And don't sleep on X posts. They are buzzing with $Pump hype, but always double-check the chatter for yourself. That's the scoop on Pump's wild ride. Are you jumping in or waiting for the dip? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and let's talk crypto. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and check out my other videos for the latest crypto news. Stay smart, do your own research, and I'll catch you in the next one.